Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the UT Consult Diaries. Today we are going to look at how to change text to upper, lower or proper case. So in the first column we have the name and we have how to change it into the upper case in the next column. So as we want to change Fred Anefi, which is spelled small letters and caps to all uppercase, we do the equal sign, we use the function upper. The upper will drop down, you select the upper, you select the text from A22, you close the parenthesis, you enter. Automatically you see that the name is changed or is changed into caps. That's the uppercase. When you drag it down, automatically all the names are in uppercase. Assume you also want to convert it to lower case, you use the function lower. So drop down, select the cell A22, you close your parenthesis, you enter. Automatically all is in lowercase. You drag it down and you have all the names in lowercase. Assume you want to have it in a proper case where you have the Fred starting with the caps and the Anefi starting also with the caps and the rest being in lowercase. There's a function called proper. So you introduce a proper formula, PROPER. Select the text A22, you close your parenthesis, you enter. Automatically you have the Fred Anefi, and this will be in the format where most people would like to have their data. Thank you very much for following us and continue to follow us on UT Consult Diaries. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.